In this video, we're going to be analysing 4 profitable trading view strategies ad infinitum and how to fully automate them for effortless income. Hey guys, this is Actor Non-Verba and I'm going to break down a couple of strategies that I have built and tested with my own money, along with a few tips on what to avoid when fully automating a bot. All the links to everything I mentioned in this video will be in the description. If you do like the content, please hit the like button to help the YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's get into it. Checking out the first strategy here, we are on the link 1 hour time frame. One of the first things to note is that this is a trend-based strategy and it's always in a trade. This is great because it means you catch all the big moves, but you should be cautious when we head into a ranging market. Second thing to notice here in the settings is that you'll be able to change your stop loss and take profit conditions. If you click on the properties here, you can see what the strategy uses along with the fees, which are up to date for the Binance spot market. I've left on the settings I personally use, but obviously feel free to play around. Alright, now opening up the strategy overview, just to be clear, this is not using leverage, just under 2,000% from 348 trades since January 2020. 77% profitable, pretty good if I do say so myself. Now when testing out these strategies, always toggle on the buy and hold return. This will give you a better idea of how these scripts run compared to just holding a coin. As we can see, Link had an amazing 2020 and running at 400% would have been a great investment for anyone. But when the price crashes, this bot manages to not just maintain, but increase profit levels of just under 2,000%. Now if you just want to find out how to access these, feel free to skip ahead to where I'll also reveal the other 3 strategies. But for the rest, I'm going to show you how to fully automate this. First, you want to head over to Autoview and add it as a Google Chrome extension. Autoview is by far the best value for money when looking for an automation software, and if you use the link in the description, you can get 10% off. Once you've added the extension, if you don't see it pop up here in the top right, go ahead and click on this puzzle piece, and then you can pin it for easy access. Open it up and click Change Settings at the bottom. Follow the left column down to subscription. Feel free to pause the video here and sign up, it's fairly self-explanatory. So let's move on. Further down the left hand side, you will see a list of all linkable exchanges. We are going to use Binance. This is where you will need to enter your API key details. Now if you don't know how to get your API from Binance, I will leave a document explaining it in the description. Alright, so if you enter your details, hit test account and it should give you the all clear to add account. Back over to TradingView now. Double check you're on the right coin and time frame. You're going to want to pull up your alert script and click add alert just here. Now you can either build your own message with the Autoview syntax builder. This is definitely for the more advanced. Otherwise, I'll leave you guys access to this document so you can just copy across the bits like I do here. Something to note whilst adding these is that you don't want to use 100%, as you have to leave a little to cover fees. I'd normally use 99%. So I'm just going to copy this message here to buy, set the alert to the one I need, so long, always set it to once per bar close, change the name to the same as your API account name, then save alert. Let's just do this for the sell and take profit. A quick test I like to do when connecting a new bot is dropping down to the 1 minute time frame. Use the trend line tool to put a line across the current candle. So now we can test out an alert. For example, I would just put my buy message in here for Link, change the percentage down to 5% so I'm not using much of my balance, wait for the alert to go off, and then check my exchange. Hopefully you should see the transaction go through. Autoview does come with an alert log, so you can check your order went through correctly there, and as we can see, we don't have any errors, and I can confirm it also went through on my exchange. Alright, that is it. You should now be fully hooked up. If you're going to do this for futures, all the messages are down here, including stop loss messages. If you have any issues, I will try to reply to all the comments below, so do leave them down there. Now, to reveal the next 3 strategies. These are all built in the same concept, but for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the BTC ETH pair. I'm going to scan over these quickly so you can pause the video to take a look at any of the stats. I would like to quickly mention these have all been back tested on different periods of time. That's why the net profits vary so much. If you have found yourself impressed by the stats of ad infinitum, send me an email to actinonverba.code@gmail.com. I'll be happy to grant you a 2-day free trial, which should give you enough time to load up these strategies and you can check out the results for yourself before having to commit. Regarding the prices, I will be offering a deal for my first 10 subscribers of $35 a month for the first 6 months. Then prices will be increasing to $99. I highly recommend using Binance due to the extremely low fees. However, if you are unable to access Binance for any reason, I will be more than happy to adjust the settings and fees so they should perform just as well on your exchange. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more ways to achieve effortless income.